a very warm welcome to WS CubeTech. So guys, in our previous session, we have covered that how we can add an image to a text using OpenCV. In our today's session, we will be talking about how we can concatenate two images. If you want to concatenate two images on a horizontal axis or on a vertical axis, how you can do that using OpenCV, we'll be having a look on that in our this session. So let's see how it can be done. So guys, to concatenate two images over here, we will import CV2. You have seen this thing before, that in our applications or in our editors, like if you want to add two images, if you want to create a collage of images, what do? You basically join two images, maybe in horizontal way, in a vertical way. So the same thing we are going to do over here, that we are going to add two images in both the axes over here. So first of all, let's get two images here. So I'll be writing image is equals to C. So we'll be using two images basically. So you can add as many images as you want, and we will be using two images here. So first images are image1. Image1 is equals to CV2 dot imread, and let's just pass the location. So I'll just go here, go for the location, and also remember one thing, you will have to resize the image in case if you have different dimensions. Okay, so here I'll be taking the images of similar dimensions, that is at heart.png and whitebird.png. So let's just pass the location here inside the double quotes. Also remember to convert all the backward slashes to your forward slashes. And here we will be adding bird.png. And actually it was heart.png first and then whitebird.png. So I'll be writing heart, and I'll just copy this so that I don't have to write it all over again, and I'll just paste it here. Let's change the image1 to image2 here, and instead of heart.png we will be writing whitebird actually. So white underscore bird.png. Okay, so if you want to concatenate these images, what you need to do is you need to use concatenate method. So first of all, we'll write the vertical image. Vertical image is equals to CV2 dot vconcat. As the name itself is suggesting that it will vertically concatenate the images here. Here we'll be passing the list of our both images, that is our image1 and image2. And let's just use CV2 dot imshow. Here we'll be passing our vimage comma vimage. Let's give a weight key as well over here by writing CV2 dot weight capital key. And here I'll be passing 0 and it should be KEY here. So let me just run it. Okay, I just already have these programs working here. So as soon as I'll run it, you can see we have got a V image over here and it's image instead of image. So I'll just remove one A from here. Okay. So we have a image which is vertically concatenated here. So this is how you can concatenate two images vertically. Similarly, if you want to concatenate them horizontally, I hope you have guessed it, that how this function will work. And if you have guessed as horizontal, that means h concat, then yes, you are correct. That here we will be writing h concat, and here we'll be passing inside our list image1 comma image2, and here we will be writing CV2 dot imshow, and let's pass our horizontal image here with h image. So as soon as I'll run it, I'll be getting two images over here. Don't get confused. Let me just remove it from here. So we have one vertical image and one we have is the horizontal image. So you can concatenate them the way you want to concatenate them. So this is how we have concatenated two images over here. So you can concatenate them as you want to. So we have concatenated them vertically and horizontally as well. And I hope this is clear to you. All we need to do is use our images, pass them inside the vconcatenate or hconcat over here in the format of a list. So I hope guys that you have no doubts in the questions on how we have added or joined the two images. So guys, here we have completed all the basic functions of our CV2. For the advanced functions, you will be needing to learn the advanced Python libraries. Once you're done with that, you can move ahead with the help of CV2. One can create amazing projects. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next module. Thank you.